How to set up an HP printer on a wireless network with HP Smart in macOS. If you would like to set up your HP printer on your wireless network to print from your Mac, you can do so in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Install the HP Smart app. Step 2. Prepare your printer for a network connection. And Step 3. Pair your printer with HP Smart. Step 1. Install the HP Smart app. If you do not already have the free HP Smart app on your computer, you can download it from your App Store or from 123.hp.com. When you open the app for the first time, you must agree to the terms to continue. When you reach the Sign In screen, you can set up a new printer, sign in or create an HP account, or you can select Skip for Now. Selecting Skip for Now brings you directly to the HP Smart home screen as a guest, and you can create an account at a later time. Creating an account gives you access to more HP Smart printing features, such as scanning. For this video, we will continue by creating an account. Select Sign In, and then select Sign Up. Enter your information and select Create. You are then sent an email to validate your email address. Open the email and select Verify. Return to the HP Smart app and add your phone number if you would like. Then select Continue. You are then brought to the HP Smart home screen. Step 2. Prepare your printer for a network connection. HP Smart can only pair with printers that are discoverable on the wireless network. To do this, you need to enable Wi-Fi setup mode for your printer. Power on the printer. The process for enabling Wi-Fi setup mode varies depending on your type of printer. For printers with a touchscreen menu, navigate to the Settings menu or gear icon and select the Network Settings menu. Select the Restore Network Settings option, then select Yes. For printers without a touch display, press the Cancel button to wake the printer from sleep mode. Press and hold the wireless and cancel buttons at the same time for 5 seconds. Or for LaserJet Pro printers, press and hold the wireless button until the ready and attention lights blink simultaneously. Release the buttons to restore Wi-Fi setup mode. For printers with front edge lighting, press and hold the Wi-Fi button on the rear of the printer for 5 seconds. When the printer enters Wi-Fi setup mode, the front edge lighting will pulse and change color. Step 3. Pair your printer with HP Smart. Now that your printer is in Wi-Fi setup mode, return to your Mac. Make sure that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled on your computer. From the HP Smart home screen, select Add Printer. HP Smart begins searching for printers on the network. Once you see your printer model, select it. When your printer has been connected to the network, select Continue. If your printer supports the HP Plus or HP Instant Ink services, you are presented with screens to sign up if you choose. If you are prompted to install a print driver, select Printers and Scanners. You are then taken to the macOS Printer Settings menu. Select Add Device and select your printer model to install the driver. HP Smart finishes setting up your printer on the network and returns you to the home screen. You are now ready to print. To do this, select the Print Documents or Print Photos tile and select the item you want to print. Adjust any of the print settings in the preview window and select the print option. Your photo or document then prints. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.